Malinaw oh.
Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Do this, do. Life could be dream.
Maki. Hi, hello. Good morning. Yan, also you can meet also my captain, Captain Eden.
Abutan kami ng ulan.
Yes, Captain Eden. Then my crew, their name is
Sakit sa ulo.
Renan and Mamoy? Nelson, sorry. Yeah, so total ma'am sir, we are 5 of us. We're gonna go with you. Okay, then ma'am sir, today we're going to Jersey. Then our first destination, this will be the Hidden Beach. Okay, so the Hidden Beach is right there. So from here we need to swim. Okay. Then also ma'am sir, I want you to know that our destination today, we're going to the Hidden Beach. Smart Lady. Okay. Talisay. Then ma'am sir, I'm not sure for the Secret Beach. Okay, because ma'am sir, during the monsoon season, southwest monsoon, that place, it's most of the time it's closed. It's closed because of that part, it's open area. So maybe you're thinking about, oh Romer, the water here is calm because we are surrounded by the islands. Okay, Secret Beach is open area. Okay,
Drone
so
is
we'll
allowed.
see later.
Drone is allowed here.
Sir,
Drone.
oh,
Drone is allowed.
Allowed ba siya?
drone allowed? No, sir, malayo. Pero dito sa island pwede.
Dito lang dito.
Pwede.
Ah.
Okay. Then also ma'am sir, the last one is Helicopter Island. Okay? So ma'am sir, additional information, instructions and reminders, I give you that later. Okay? So from here ma'am sir, we need to swim. Okay? From here going there.